Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be swatching, reviewing, testing out, and giving you guys an eye look for the Tartelette Toasted palette. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and also click the bell next to that so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. I have so many videos planned for you guys for 2018. I'm so excited and I think it's going to be such a great year. So I hope that you guys will want to stick around for the year. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if there are any other palettes that you want me to swatch and test out, definitely leave them in the comments below and I will get my hands on them so I can test those out for you guys. So let's just get right on into this review. So I got this palette for my birthday back on November 10th and I've used it a little bit since then. I've only done one eye look with it. I've used the colors separately for other eye looks but not all together for just one eye look. But here is the palette right here. It's so pretty. Look at that. I don't know, I just love it. It's so pretty. The back is gold, and then when you open it up, so here is what the inside of it looks like when you open it up. It's really gorgeous. It's getting a lot of reflection from my lights, but you can get the gist of how pretty it seriously is. So this palette is really great. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate and s'mores, and it just smells really good. Even when I just open it, it's so strong of a smell that it just smells so good. The names of it are so cute. The first one is S'more, which I love s'mores and I think that's an adorable name. And then they have other ones like Cashmere, Simmer, Cozy, Crackle, Warmth, Fireside. They're just such cute names and they fit the colors so well. So this palette is adorable. I love it. It's so pigmented. You guys are going to see in the swatches that the shades are beautiful shades and they're so pigmented and I love it. So basically this palette's amazing and you should get your hands on it. But right now let's cut to the swatches so you guys can see all of those swatched on my arm and just see how beautiful and pigmented all of the colors in the palette are. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little eye look for you guys. So I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see my eyeballs much closer, and we're gonna do an eye look with this gorgeous palette. Okay, so I didn't zoom you guys in too much because I feel like that would just not work very well. I've already primed my lids and I actually already have mascara on because I always put on mascara before I do eye looks because the mascara always just gets all over the place. But yeah, I've already put the shade S'more on my lid. And so now I'm gonna take the shade Latte and put it on a really big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. After that, it's all blended out and my eyes look really orange and crazy, but I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of this shade called Fireside, which is really dark, and I'm gonna put that on the outer and inner crease, or I mean the outer crease and the outer crease and outer corner of my eye, and really just buff that in and blend it out so it's not super duper dark. And it looks a little dark right now, but it'll lighten up once we get to the end of the eye look. So now I'm going to take this tiny little brush and I'm going to spray it with some of my Mario Badescu facial spray just to get the brush wet so that it picks up the pigment better. Now I'm going to take the shade Sunset and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Okay, now taking a tiny little bit of the shade Flame, which is like a really dark sparkly red, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and focus it on the middle of my lid. Now, going back into my crease, I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of the shade Warmth and just buffer that in to my crease a little bit just to bring some warmth to the eye look, which is why I'm using the shade Warmth. And I'm now gonna take the shade Candle, which is a really pretty light shimmery color, and I'm gonna put that on my inner lid and my inner corner. Now taking my fluffy brush one more time, I'm not gonna put any product on it, I'm just gonna leave on the product that is probably left over, and I'm just gonna go over in the crease and blend it out. Now just to draw it all together, I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Latte on a really tiny brush, and I'm gonna pull that down onto my lower lash line just so it looks all nice and together. Okay guys, so here's the completed look. I'm really close to the camera, I'm sorry about that, but I just want to show you guys how pretty it looks. So here is the completed look. Hopefully it's focused. It's super warm and super blended out, but it looks so pretty. It actually looks better in person than it does on camera, so I wish you guys could see it in person. But yeah, there's the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the review, the swatches, and I hope that you guys will try out this look and also go get that palette because it's so good. This is not sponsored by Tarte, even though I wish it totally was, but it's not, and I love this palette. I honestly love it, and this is just always honest reviews that I do. Make sure that you subscribe down below and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for sticking around as long as you have. 2018 is going to be such an amazing year, and I hope that you will stick around longer and click that subscribe button for another year. That's going to be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!